how to delete an NGL message. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So you don't like a NGL message and want to delete it, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your NGL app and then head over to inbox at the top and just tap on the message that you want to delete, and then you can see exclamation in a triangle in the top left. Just tap on it and then you can see delete message. So once you tap on it, you can see the deleted success message, and there you go. Now, it's as simple as that to delete a message in your NGL app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.